We'll make a check around the horn here to see if everybody's ready to go. Austin Police Department is on the road. Runners, you need to be in position behind the yellow line. We cannot start the race until all runners are behind the yellow line. Runners, to your mark.
Can you feel it?
Because you're holding it with one hand and you have to keep your foot on the curb and the water gets heavy and when the runners take it, it splashes all over you. It's just sort of hard, but it's fun.
You're almost there. All right, now where's my Jackie? Here's the best one. Runners are sexy!
Joe Sullivan running in the 70 to 74 category. Good job, John!
Hey, participation medals right over here. Congratulations. Wonderful job.
Well.